Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to hide your Instagram activity status. This feature allows you to browse Instagram without others knowing when you're online. Let's dive into the steps. First, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Once the app is open, you'll see your feed. Next, click on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your personal profile page where you can manage your settings. Now look for the More icon at the top right corner of the page. This icon usually looks like 3 horizontal lines or dots, depending on your app version. Tap on it to access a menu with various options. In this menu, scroll down until you find Messages and Story Replies. Click on this option to open further settings related to how others can interact with you. After that, locate Show Activity Status within this section. This setting controls who can see when you're active on Instagram. Now comes the crucial step. Disable Show Activity Status. To do this, simply toggle the switch off. Once you've done this, other users will no longer be able to see when you're online, and conversely, you won't be able to see their activity status either. By following these simple steps, you can enjoy using Instagram without the pressure of being online or having to respond immediately to messages. Remember, maintaining your privacy is essential in today's digital world, and Instagram provides these settings to help you control your online presence. That's it for today's tutorial. Now you know how to hide your activity status on Instagram effortlessly. Enjoy browsing without anyone knowing when you're online.